Zach. I have a helicopter west of the final for runway 02. Do you have the helicopter in sight?
We have our helicopter in sight.
When I first saw the drawings for the project and I was asked to support it, I was slightly hesitant. It's completely different to anything else I've seen, and I don't think anybody else would really attempt to do it. I think it's a massive task, and I think Icelandair are very brave taking it on.
For us to produce the exact definition of the artwork, we used a skilled airbrush company. These guys are pure artists. They could paint a 12 by 12 centimetre painting, or they could paint the side of a 747. Each individual airbrush artist is working with a small photograph. He is dedicated to one section, and each section is then passed by his Meister, the German leader, to ensure that the exact artwork is reproduced for our customer Icelandair.
I think the public, the general public, and myself, if I see the aircraft on the runway, I'll be amazed at how it looks.
And when we saw the lights come on, it was really great just feeling that atmosphere of natural beauty that you get while being in this country.